Welcome back to JR and Sue's farm. We're trying something tonight to cut just a couple pieces of cedar, and hopefully it's not a disaster. We're going to slide it up on another board and try to make this thing work out. Hey, appreciate Josh, the hat. That's the way you get on cameras. You got to give a guy a hat. All right, well, we're going to try cutting this and we'll see how it goes. Okay, that was one piece of cedar off there. Supposed to have been an inch. We're going to have to change our scale a little bit to figure this out one more time. Uh, we're going to come down on it and readjust our scale, which I should have done on the first log, and I didn't. Okay, now we're going to come down 1 inch. We'll try this again. Oh, that's much better. That other board we can still use. This is going to just be through it. Oh yeah, that worked out a lot better. All right, we're going to look and just double check, make sure we're still going right. Uh-oh, I can letting off the gas too quick. All right, let's see what we get down here. One more. Okay, now we're going to have to readjust a little bit. What they're doing, some sawmills, you can cut that last 1 inch board. On this mill, it is dangerous to cut the one last inch board because of your teeth, the way it's angled, the way it sets up. Cutting the 1 inch, your last 1 inch is where you catch your blades or you catch, any parts of the saw. You go down to 2 inch, you're pretty good. But down to 1 inch, not so much. So we'll be right back. We'll get the next one set up and we'll cut it. All right, we've turned it over. We've got it held down as tight as we can. We're going to cut, hopefully, 3 or 4 more boards off this. But we'll see. Now, always double check and make sure your blades are not there. This one down here on the bottom, it's going to be super, super close. Okay, here we try the last one. Okay, we did what we wanted to do. We just cut a couple boards trying to get back into it. It's been so hot this summer that we haven't did a lot of logging at all. But it's going to cool off. We're going to get back into it, and hopefully we'll make some more videos soon. As always, if you like our videos, share them with a friend. If you don't like our videos, share them with all your friends. Why should you suffer alone? I hope you liked it.